Hi, is hot weather dangerous to us? Can hot weather worsen health problems? Welcome to PD's Research Bites. We all know that extreme temperatures hitting many countries, breaking records. People are struggling to cope with health effects because of this unprecedented hot weather and global warming. It is not just temperature are getting higher, but the duration and intensity is increasing. World is expected to warm above 1.5 degrees Celsius by early 2030s. So now the question is when we have to take precautions or what temperatures are dangerous to our health. It depends on various factors. It depends on health status. People with chronic conditions are vulnerable, and certain age groups are vulnerable, young children and elderly. And also people who work outdoors are at particular risk. And the fact is people can tolerate heat differently in different parts of the world. It's due to number of factors. The first thing is humidity. Humidity can affect how well the body cools down. Higher humidity makes the body harder to cool down because sweat doesn't evaporate as easily. Then the cultural practices like clothing, diet, type of housing can help people adapt to local environmental conditions. And there is physiologic and genetic adaptations that allow them to live in a variety of climates. The ability to sweat efficiently and increase blood flow to the skin helps people to cope with hot weather. And there is something called feel-like temperature. And it takes into account factors like humidity, wind speed and direct sunlight. For example, a temperature of 90 degree Fahrenheit in a humid place feels like 100 degree Fahrenheit. And we all know that countries declare heat wave at different temperatures. For example, in UK, around 25 to 28 degrees Celsius, in US around 32 and India around 40 degrees Celsius. So now what happens when we are exposed to higher temperature? The initial signs of heat exhaustion are headache, nausea, cramps. There will be drop in blood pressure, dizziness, disorientation. It affects our well-being and people are tired and finding difficult to cope. If not taken measures, it can lead to shock and life-threatening conditions such as heat stroke. There could be subtle effects such as impaired cognition. So increased temperature, decrease oxygen to the blood, less oxygen to the brain, and we are not able to think clearly. Sleep disturbances can affect, and that can lead to irritability, memory problems, mood swings, and mental health disorders. And research study shows that mental health and behavioral issues can worsen during hot temperatures. Excess heat and during heat waves, there are changes in levels of serotonin and other neurotransmitters that can lead to anxiety, depression, aggression, and other mental health disorders. Research also demonstrates increase in violence, suicide, and more of hospital admissions related to mental health problems during hot weather. So that's all in this video. I will talk more about physical health impact of hot weather in next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.